Hey, welcome back to another video, another episode of what we call Open It Up With Me Review. Yes, with your main host, Kay. Right, and today we will be talking about the Western Digital External Hard Drive. Yes, something portable, something that you can carry anywhere, something that it's up to your convenience. You know, whether you are transferring files, whether you need a storage to have your files, anything that you want with this. So today we will be doing an unboxing, and please stay tuned and check it out. Thank you so much for everyone that have committed to watch our video. Thanks to everyone that has support us by commenting, by liking us, by sharing us. Thank you so much. I'm honored to be this person here, and I'm honored to every day make something different for you guys. Thank you so much and highly appreciate it. Stay tuned for more.